Ramesh Kumar. Namaste to all. I am Ramesh Kumar, Department of OPM, Assistant Professor from Jyoti Vidyapith, Government University Jaipur. Our subject is PhD, and today our session is gate and post method in PhD. So we will see passing the parameter in the PhD field. Actually, HTML provides the form tag which will include the form element like text box, command button, radio button, PPT, and the submit button which will carry all the information filled in the form element in text box. Submit button carry all the information. The general form is form name equal to my form, action equal to file main.php, method equal to get or post. Form action attribute of the form tag will specify action attribute of the form tag will specify the file which is to be opened when we click on the submit button. Action button will what it do? It will result when we click on the submit button. Suppose we submit the button, all the attributes are executed. So the general form of the form name equal to my form, action equal to file name.php. Suppose we have to student.php. Then all the information of the file in student.php will contain, and this is when you click on the student.php, then method get and post. We have to use two method, get and post method. Okay. Action attribute of the form tag will apply the file which is to be opened when we click on the submit button. Method attribute will be used to specify the method which will be used to transfer the data from one page to another page. By default, the method is get in which the query attribute displays the method and the address bar. The general form is protocol server name folder name file name.php, parameter 1 equal to value 1, parameter 2 equal to value 2. If the method is get, then we will make use of the $get environment variable. The get method will use the $get environment variable for assessing the parameter passed. Get and post method. The get method is used to request data from a specified resources. Okay, so get method, what it will do? It will request from the resources, and get is one of the most common HTTP method. Actually, get request or get work like this server, this request from the resources, and get is one of the most common HTTP method. Note that the ABS string name value pair is sent to the user of HTTP. Actually, what you put the name or value, put to the URL, write into the URL. The general standard is test demo underscore form test oblique form name equal to value 1 and name equal to value 2. The post method is used to send data to server. Post method like client will send data to the server, create update resources. The data sent to the server with post is stored in the request body of the HTTP request. Post request demo form.php HTTP 1.1 or like www.com name equal to 1 value 1 and name equal to value 2. So this is the method. This is the general form of post method. What? Test demo form.php HTTP 1.1 or www.com. So this is the method how we can request the data, how we can transfer data to the servers. Get in the general form is $get parameters. If the post method post, then we get use of the $post environment variable. If the post method is post, then we will make use of the $post environment variable or accessing the parameter. The general form is $post. This is the standard form $post parameter name, consider the following post for HTML. So this is the design form of the using the get and post method. Here you post ID, post name, duration, view, and you submit query and reset. So submit button, use the get and post method. Using the get and post method, your request and resources will be executed. Okay. So this is the standard HTML head title using the PHP pattern code. WPD equal to stand, form name equal to my form, option equal to show. This is the action which we want to perform on the files. Method equal to post center, post information equal to h1 bar. So this is the ph post id equal to http, input type equal to php name equal to php square http. Here post name equal to ph, input type equal to php name equal to php name td tr duration, and select non combo box. This is a combo order whereby we click the drag, you may say use combo box order. If you click on that, the following option will show: option 45 days, option 100 like this, and option 90 days. Select td, this is the gender of the HTML coding, td tr df select field. Okay, so here dr input type equal to submit. This is the similar like HTML coding. Input type equal to reset center, form name or the form. So here we apply only like this. Yeah, this is the here. So first what is PHP method equal to post. This is the method applied. Okay, thank you to all. So share my video, comment my videos, suggest my videos, subscribe my videos more and more, and we will meet in next lecture. Thank you to all.